Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Top Gaming Tech Play here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will show you guys how you can get free games on your PlayStation 3, but first like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so you first need to have these 3 files on your PC, which I will link in the description below. Okay, so the main apps we are going to use are the PS3 Game Converter and the Rusty PSN for Windows. So for everything to be organized, we need to create a folder, and drag all the files we will use into that folder. Alright, so after you have created the folder, name it whatever you can easily recognize. Okay, so we shall copy all the games to the folder we just created. Alright, so if you have the backup game on your PC, or if you want to download it from the internet, you can first check the game's region code from this compatibility list to make sure the region code is playable when converted. Okay, so these are some of the games we will convert, so at this point we need to create another folder and drag all the necessary apps into that folder. So we shall convert the Tomb Raiders folder first, then we will convert the others as well, but please check from the compatibility list to confirm if the region code is playable. Alright, so we will use the Rusty PSN app to download all the games update. So if you want to download the games update, first we must copy the title's region code to the Rusty PSN. Okay, so if you do not have the region code attached to the game, you can use the PS3 Tools app to check for the region code. Alright, so you just have to locate the games folder. Then you need to load the param.sfo file. So as usual, we just have to copy the title's region code to the PSN search bar. Alright, so we just have to download the update. Now we need to cut the PS3/game folder to the root of the converting folder. Alright, at this point we need to copy the update. Alright, so at this point, we need to drag and drop the PS3/game folder to the PS3 Converter app. So immediately this notification will pop up, asking if the update is available, so we just need to choose Yep. Alright, so it will take you to the Converters folder, then you have to click on the update to continue. At this point we need to choose where we will save the files. So we shall save it in the Converting folder. Okay, so at this point you will be asked to choose the type of item you are converting, so we will choose the PS3 game folder that we have. Alright, now you can choose either the main converting folder or the PS3/games folder to continue. So at this point, you can convert as many games as possible with this same procedure. At this moment please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, so now we need to format our USB storage. So at this point we need to use the Rufus app to format our USB storage. Alright, so if you have multiple USB drive, first check the list USB hard drive box. Okay, then we shall move to the devices column, and choose the right USB we shall use for the games. Alright, so if you get the boot selection, choose the non-bootable. So we must choose the MBR option at the partition scheme. Then finally with the file system, we shall choose the large FAT32 option. Alright, so if you are done with the setup, just proceed and wait for it to finish. Okay, so finally if you open your USB storage, it must look like this. So if you do not have Multiman and the Data Rebuilder app, you can copy it to the root of your USB. So now our large USB must show up here, but if you did not format it like the way we did, it might not show up if you connect it to your PS3. At this point, if you are on PS3 hybrid firmware, then you first need to activate the HEN plugins, so you can use the package manager to install Multiman and the Database Rebuilder app. So if you launch the Multiman, just scroll to File Manager, and then press the X button. Alright, so if you get to the desktop, scroll to the PS3 root folder and press the X button. So first scroll to the dev_HDDO and then press the X button. Then, scroll down to the game folder and again, press the X button. Okay, so now this is the folder we shall copy all our games to. Alright, so at this point we shall open the PS3 root folder again. So at this point, we shall scroll down to the dev_USB00, and then we shall press the X button to open it as well. Okay, so now we shall open the games folder, and then we shall highlight all the files. Alright, so we will now press the O button, then we will choose the copy option, and then, we shall cross to the other folder and then paste all the files. So now you can press and hold circle to close Multiman, or you can also scroll down to quit, and then press the X button. Alright, so finally at this moment, we need to launch the Database Rebuilder. Okay, so now we just have to press the X button to rebuild the database. So finally your interface will look like this, and please subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.
these years, and still you exploit others to rise above your station.
I have risen to my station, Jade. Before Shao Kahn raised me up, Outworlders despised the Naknada. Now they fear us. Tell me that is not